नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 7 के मैथमेटिक्स में पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं। तो आइए हमारे सो डियर लेट अस एंजॉय द वीडियो ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। Pythagoras property. What do you mean by Pythagoras property? What is the Pythagoras property? दोस्तों आइए आज हम चैप्टर 11 में पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया पर आपको कुछ जानकारी देते हैं। तो यहाँ पे ये क्लास 7 की मैथमेटिक्स है, NCERT। तो यहाँ पे चैप्टर 11 पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर। The definition of perimeter: the total length of the boundary of a closed rectilinear figure is called its perimeter. मीन्स मान लीजिएगा कि थोड़ी देर के लिए हमारे पास ये एक क्लोज्ड फिगर है और इस क्लोज्ड फिगर की ये जो बाउंड्री आप देख रहे हैं, दैट इज दिस वन इज लेंथ, दिस वन इज ब्रेथ, this one is again length, and this one is breadth. Then this total length of this rectilinear figure is known as the perimeter. Similarly, you can see this is the shape of circle. Then now you start from this point, then the total length of the boundary of this circle is known as the perimeter. I think that the concept of perimeter is clear. Means the total length of the boundary of any closed geometrical shape is known as perimeter. Now here is the some formulae to find the perimeter of closed figure. So here is first one, perimeter of triangle. So what is the perimeter of triangle? Means dear, here the perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. And it's if sides are A, B, C, then you can write just like that. It is A plus B plus C. This is the perimeter of a triangle. And similarly, perimeter of a square. The perimeter of a square you will get as a formula, that is length, that is 4 into side. Why 4 into side? Because there are 4 sides, so you will add all the side, that is side, first side, second side, third side, and then fourth side. Therefore how many sides are? 4. So you can write this as 4 into side. So this is the formula to find the perimeter of square. Now perimeter of rectangle, same way you can see here in this diagram. This is the length, okay, and this is the breadth, this is again length, and this one is breadth. Means you can write here it is length, breadth, length, and again breadth. So you can write it just like that, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. It means how many length, how many breadth? 2 length and 2 breadth. So you can write it as just like that, 2 into L plus B. So this is the perimeter of rectangle. Similarly, perimeter of circle. What is the perimeter of circle? That you can write that pi r square. This is the perimeter of circle, where pi equal to, this is a constant, that is 22/7. So this is the value of pi. Either you can write pi equal to 3.14. Many of case you will take pi equal to 22 by 7. Now moving for area of the any geometrical shape. What is the area? What do you mean? What do you understand by the area? Yes, dear. So first of all, what you understand by area? Yes, of course, dear. You can see the surface enclosed by a plane figure is called its area. The surface enclosed by a plane figure is called its area. तो ये आपका टोटल सरफेस है और इस सरफेस को आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये इनक्लोज किया गया है। तो ये जो इंटीरियर ग्रीन पार्ट है, इस ग्रीन पार्ट को हम कहेंगे एरिया। That is this part, that is interior part is known as area of this geometrical shape, and this geometrical shape is a circle. So now moving for next figure, here you can see that this is a rectangle and this red part is known as the area because this red part is enclosed by a plane figure enclosed by this blue lines. Then interior region, that is red region, is known as the area. So this is area of this geometrical shape. So how can you find the area of different geometrical shape? Yes, here is the first one formula. Area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? If triangle there is given base and perpendicular height, then we can say that area of triangle equal to half into base into height. So this is the formula to find the area of triangle. Now what is the area of square? Yes, dear, if you multiply side 2 times, then you will get the area of square, that is side into side. This is the formula and it is written as side whole square also, that is side square. So this is the area of square. Now next one things is area of rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? So in this diagram you can say that there is two things only, length and breadth. So if you multiply this length and breadth, then you will get the area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. In short way, this is written as L into B. So this is the formula of area of rectangle. Now moving for area of circle. Area of circle means this is the circle. How can you find the area of circle? Yes, here is one thing is required, that is radius. If you know the radius of the circle, then you can write here area of circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. And radius means this is the distance from the center. अगर यहाँ पे आप डायग्राम में देखें तो डायग्राम में अगर ये सेंटर है, आप देख सकते हैं हम यहाँ रेड कलर से इसे या ब्लू कलर से इंडिकेट करते हैं, तो ये अगर इसका सर्कल है तो इस डिस्टेंस को हम कहेंगे रेडियस. So dear, if you know the radius of circle, then you can find the area of circle by this formula, that is pi r square, and the value of pi is again 22 by 7. So this is the formula, that is area of circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of this circle. Now next one, area of the parallelogram. So what is the formula to find the area of parallelogram? Yes, of course dear, you can find easily, that is area of rectangle rectangle parallelogram, it's by base into height. This is the formula to find the area of parallelogram. So dear, now how can you find the area of different shape using this formula? So let us start. So first one here is a note for you. Always keep in your mind, that is 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meters square. So keep in your mind the perimeter of regular polygon. How can you find? The perimeter of regular polygon equal to length of side into number of sides. Means जितने भी नंबर ऑफ साइड्स उस पॉलीगॉन में हैं उसमें लेंथ ऑफ साइड से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जैसे रेगुलर ट्रायंगल आप जानते हैं, जो रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है उसमें ट्रायंगल होता है, उसका नाम क्या है? दैट इज इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. तो वहाँ पे कितने साइड होते हैं? इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल में 3 साइड होते हैं. तो आप क्या लिखते हैं? 3 इंटू साइड. तो यहाँ पे वो फॉर्मूला यूज हो जाएगा. नंबर ऑफ साइड मीन्स 3 एंड लेंथ ऑफ साइड इज साइड. तो 3 इंटू साइड. रेगुलर क्वाड्रिलेटरल क्या होता है? स्क्वायर. तो वहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ साइड कितने होते हैं? 4. तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? नंबर ऑफ साइड अगर 4 होते हैं तो 4 इंटू साइड फॉर्मूला होता है. इसी तरह से पेंटागन के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? पेंटागन के लिए हो जाएगा 5 इंटू साइड. हेक्सागन के लिए हो जाएगा 6 इंटू साइड. तो ये पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन का फॉर्मूला है. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 11.1. हियर इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. द लेंथ एंड द ब्रेथ ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगुलर पीस ऑफ लैंड आर 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. The cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost is rupees 10,000. तो यहाँ पे 2 चीज़ें दे रखी हैं. लेंथ दे रखा है, ब्रेथ दे रखा है, और ये रेक्टेंगुलर जो प्लॉट है वो किस शेप का है? रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगुलर शेप है ये. तो यहाँ पे हम फॉर्मूला कौन सा यूज करेंगे? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल का यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे एरिया पूछ रखा है तो हम एरिया का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. सो हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट द गिवन थिंग्स हियर. लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर length, this is 500 meter, this is let us L, and breadth of the rectangular length, this is 300 meter, and it is B. The area of rectangle is length into breadth. So here you can write area of length equal to length is 500 and breadth is 300. So 500 into 300 meters you will get how much? That is 5 into 3. 5 into 3 means 15. And how many 0? 4 0. So you will mark here 4 0. And meter into meter means meter square. So this is the area. Now this is the part number first has been completed. So this is the answer. That is area of the rectangular plot is 1,50,000. Okay. So now after that area you will find the cost. Since cost of rectangular length 1 meter square equal to rupees 10,000. Therefore cost of this amount इतने का कितना हो जाएगा? Therefore 1540 meter square equal to how much? This is dear rupees 10,000 into 15 and 40. So how many zeros total here? You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0 and 15 बन जा 15. So you will write the answer as rupees 15 and 80. So this is finally you can write the cost. Therefore, you will write number 1 area of land. This is 15 and 40 meter square, and cost of land, this is how much, 15 and 80 here. And this is rupees. So finally this is the answer of this question.